Okay, this is my black lab, Belle Belle. Bella, Bella, over here, baby. Over here. Okay, now we're going to show how Bella will not let me use my mouse on my computer. Here I am scratching her backside. She likes to scratches. So here I go. I'm going to go and reach now. I think, and she don't like me doing that, see? Scratch. Now watch where I take my hand away. Reach for that. What? What? Come here. Oh, there's Rambo over there too, but we ignore him. Belle Belle, come on over here, baby. See? She won't let me do it. Scratches. I want to go use the mouse on my computer here. No, she don't like that happening. Scratches. Scratches. Let me go check something on my computer here. Check something on my computer here. Okay, okay, okay. Scratches. Scratches. Let me go check something on my computer here, okay? Oh, no, sorry. Whoa. All right, scratches. Do one more, just so people don't think I'm trying to fool you or something. Scratches. Oh, hey, look, I got something in my inbox here. Yeah. Oh. Okay, guess not. Oh, come on, one more time for good measure. One more time for good measure. Scratches. Oh, look, somebody messaged me. Belle Belle, look at me. Look at me, Belle Belle.